easy, tasty chicken tortilla wraps, perfect for lunch or dinner. Want to see how I do this one? Continue watching. First step is to prep my chicken breast. I'm using chicken breast. You can use boneless chicken thigh. I'm going to cut these in strips, wash well, and season and put aside while we work on the rest of ingredients. So welcome back to the channel. If it's the first time here, welcome. And to my returning supporters, thank you guys so much for all the support. So now we're just going to season, and all the season used, I'll try to link them in the description box below. So continue watching guys, and I'll come back in a bit. I'm under the weather guys, if you can hear my voice. So in this video I won't be talking too much, okay? But continue watching. For the other stuffing we're using for the wraps, we need lettuce, carrot, cucumber, tomato. I'm using red onion, assorted bell pepper, and I'm going to cut these in some thin strips so it's easy to wrap in our wraps, easy to roll in the wraps. For the cucumber, I'm just going to remove some portion of the skin, cut these in two, and then cut them in moon shape. Or you can cut them according to your likings, but this is how I'm cutting mine. So again guys, we need them partially thin so it's easy to roll in our wraps. So now I'm going to prepare my already seasoned chicken. I'm going to add a bit of oil to my frying pan and just saute this for a couple of minutes. It's chicken breast and it's some fine strips, so it won't take long to cook. Here's our chicken, finished already, juicy and all that. So now we're going to prep the sauce. For the sauce we need some barbecue sauce. I'm using some mayonnaise and some sweet chili. I'm going to use a bit of herbs, but I'll put those in the screen in a bit. I'm also going to use a little bit of cayenne for the heat. And we mix this and taste to our liking. This can use for a dip as well, but I love to use this when I'm making my tortilla wraps. For the herbs that I use, I had some garlic powder, a bit of Italian herbs, and these are some very large tortilla wraps, and I'm just arranging my wraps. You can add your veggies to your likings, whichever way you wish to add them, but in any way, put them so the wrap can close, okay? So I'm just arranging my wraps, and these are very filling, guys. Let me put this out. Very filling, and as you see, it's packed with all these goodies. Yes, so feel free to play around and add veggies of your choice, but this combo very tasty, guys. So this was my dinner, a light dinner I had, and it was very filling. But you can have this for a quick lunch or a dinner as well. So here are my wraps, guys, and look how beautiful is it inside, packed with all these yummy veggies. So I hope that you did enjoy watching this one, and you will try making this for yourself as well. So now just like the video, share, drop me a comment below, hype the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.